My god, she's so pretty. Nice. Mhm. 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 Adorable. Oh. Okay, I'm testing out the new camera. Seeing how well the mic works, the camera. Shooting Saturn. Beep. organize our pins. But right now, working on an order. They got a vegan pin, got ham, they also got this pin, this Nezuko pin. I have to change the backing card because this one's bent. But here she is, she's so cute. Then they got a Novara pin. And what else? And a Choso pin. A Chosito pin. One of these. So I'm gonna pack her order. Thank you so much for your order. Okay, so Tani's gonna pack the orders and I'm going to be working on doing some more products for our next event. We will be making some few mystery bags. So far, we are going to include these keychains. They're second grade. They have small imperfections. So far, we have these 3. And also, we got these new stickers. I'm gonna show them to you in a bit. Okay, I'm not sure if this is a good angle or not, but here are the stickers. Here's the freebies that we're gonna be giving out on orders and at conventions and events. This one has our logo and our name there. How cute. Then we have the Punk as Hell cat. This glossy too. We got this done in sticker app. Oh, Saturn. Saturn's being nosy as always. And then we have these glitter heart stickers. They're so pretty. Look. So pretty. And we have these little heart stickers. These are transparent. They look like this. I put it in our Cricut. So I think I showed y'all the tripod. Sorry, I'm just looking at the camera and the battery, like it was full a minute ago and now it's half empty. What? Maybe it's because of the quality I'm choosing, but I'm gonna show you the stickers real quick. Let me set this up. Okay, so it is literally like 10 p.m. It's almost gonna be 10 p.m. and we just randomly decided to do the deco sticker sheets that we had planned. Right now Minnie is cutting the edges off. We put too much force in the silhouette settings, so they didn't turn out quite right, but we're definitely gonna do them again without that much force. But for now, we're gonna see what they look like right now. Wow.
That is so cute.
That's so cute. Let me see. Oh, wow. So pretty. We did the sticker sheet. And at the bottom, it says our logo. And you can actually peel it off as well. Very cute. So,
Why does it look blurry?
it's not blurring. But yeah, it looks so cute. Hello everyone, today's November 30th. And we are opening some packages right now. Let's see what she got. Oh, this is the bun maker that we got. It took like 2 weeks to get here. And also we're gonna open those packages, see what there are. Okay. So we got 2 molds. We got the circle and the heart. We're gonna see what kind of paper we can use for these. We're not too sure yet, but we made some buns recently and we like the paper. We did it in an art club that we're in, and we're gonna ask the president what kind of paper she used for them. But yeah, we're so excited about these. Why is there like 20 layers of bubble wrap? Okay, I'm gonna let her open it and then show you. Okay, so sadly there wasn't any pieces to make the buttons with, but we have the mold for the circular pins and then for the heart-shaped pins. And this is the machine. We've tested it out with the group and it works well, so that's why we ordered it. And Tany's ordering the buns right now. I'm not sure if they'll get here on time, but we'll order them just in case. I mean, we have the machine anyway. Okay, so it's currently a mess here at the studio, but I just finished the acrylic charm display board. Really simple. I cut the squares by hand, so they might be a little crooked, but they still work. And I reused the design that we used for our old boards, which, oh my gosh, they look so gross, I'm sorry. But yeah, they look cute. And we're gonna do kind of the same thing for our boards for the enamel pins, but smaller. But yeah, this is what we're doing right now. Okay, so right now we're putting all the stickers in the little boxes that we have for them. Minnie's counting inventory for these. The kitties over here are having a fight. But yeah, we didn't do more of the ones that we already had since it's gonna be a pretty small con. We're happy with the quantity, so we have a bunch of these slime kitties. We only have 2 left of the zombie kitty stickers and then 2 of the vampire kitty stickers. We have a couple of ghost stickers, and we have plenty more we're also gonna take the newest stickers, and I don't know if Minnie showed you, but we have a bunch of new kitty holographic stickers. These are so cute. And right now, Minnie also designed a backing card for our buns. So we have 3 designs currently. We have Rainy Days with Shadow and Juniper, our OCs. Then we have this punk kitty, super cute. I love the backing cards, they look so nice. And then the loaded diaper ones, I love them. We're so excited to make more buns, but for now these are just gonna be it. We have a really small quantity. This is gonna be 6 buns that we're gonna take. They're gonna be sold for $3 each and 2 for $5. I think my favorite one has to be the punk kitty. I love the holographic. It's super cute. Hello everyone, it's a new day. Yesterday we left a bit of a mess and we're starting to pack everything into the suitcases. We are still missing some beanies. We need to pack those up, and then we need to create the labels for the mystery bags. We need to pack the pins, put price labels on the ones that are sold out. We have Choso, the Coltar, these 2 Megumi pins, this Reagan pin, and then the kid. We already completed our boards. These need prices as well. We packed them up yesterday. What else? And yeah, we need to make more labels and cut this keychain packing cards. So we have these pots that we got at Dollar Tree for our last event, and we just painted it purple, and we're gonna put the acrylic keychains that we did. These we made acrylic keychains out of our earring designs because like this one, some of them weren't selling well as earrings, and people would often say, oh, do you have keychains of this design? And we would say no. So we decided to turn them into keychains. Well, some of them, I mean, all of them have been turned into keychains, but we left some pairs for earrings. Look at this. I really like the ball what is it called? Ball chain? It looks so cute with the alien designs, cherry and juniper. This is how juniper looks. Super, super cute. So we're gonna be displaying it like this, and each one will be sold for $5. Hello. It's been about a week since we last recorded anything. Hold on. Okay, this is my third take, but it's been about a week or so since we last recorded. We were getting ready for a convention. I'm not sure if I'm gonna include the clips or not for the vlog, but we were getting ready. But then about 2 days later, we started feeling sick. We had a sore throat, and we couldn't attend the con because we tested positive for COVID. And now we're doing fine, but you know that cough that you like that lingers for around a few days? Well, that's just what we're experiencing right now. But we got some packages. These are our newest tote bags. This is one of the designs. It's Shopaholic. And then we got around 10 of those. And then the Punk as Hell tote bag. This one had to be DTF printed. And it looks a bit strange. And I talked to my manufacturer, and she said she couldn't do anything about it. So I was like, okay. And then we have the Rainy Days tote bag, which is even worse. It has a lot of misprinting, a lot of bleed. So we're gonna see if we can fit it with acetone. If not, we're gonna have to sell them discounted. But yeah, those are the 3 tote bag designs. Oh no, we also have, let me see. Hold on. And here's the last tote bag. As you can see, it's a bit odd, but yeah, it's a ghost with demonias. Here was our luggage with our display stuff packaged. We haven't unpacked it because we have another event in around a month. Okay, that's too long, but this is only the display stuff, like the grids and the tablecloths and such. And I'm gonna show you the newest products we got. So we got phone grips. We did 3 designs. It's a strawberry concha, a vanilla concha, and this cloud. This also comes in as a coaster. I'll show you right now. We're gonna restock of our egg coasters and our flan coasters. Let me see where she put those. We also did a restock of our cat charms, which is the Halloween designs, and also the Jutsu Kaisen designs. These were very popular on our Etsy, so we decided to restock them. We just have them laying around here, like a little thumbnail. There's also these two concha coasters. Comes in vanilla and strawberry. And I think I ordered 20 of each. And I don't think there's 20 here. And we also ordered some pins, so let me show you those right now. This is the coaster. It's an acrylic coaster. It's pretty big, around 4 inches. You put your drink on top. You can put cold or hot drinks, doesn't matter. And surprisingly, the liquid doesn't drip out of that coaster. It looks really pretty. We got these beautiful Nami pins. This is in rose gold plating. And this is gold plating. She looks so pretty. Has a back stamp. We also got these really cute cappuccinos. This is the red cup with glitter. It's so cute. And this is the brown cup. I don't know if you can see that. It looks so cute. I love it. Also has a back stamp.